Okay, maybe we'll do this one in class. If not, I wanted to present this to you anyways about just some questions to think about. Who do you, when you talk about stakeholders, the user groups might be another term you could use for this. Who do you think are the stakeholders for your college's athletic and recreation facility? So if you're looking at the Georgian College athletic facility on campus, who are the users? Who are the people that are in and out of there every day? Let's think about that. We know that we have a lot of students, but students is a large group. You can break that down into many different groups. So maybe I'll save this for class, but have a think about that for when we get to class on Wednesday. And what priority should be given to each group and why? Now, should there be a priority set up between, like, should students be number one? Should varsity athletes be number one? Should community members be number one? Lots of different things to think about when you're talking about stakeholders and who should be given the best time in the gym, in the fitness center, and so on. What about technology? Dealing with constituents and applying the managerial function are necessary for managing a facility, but technology has significantly changed how facilities are managed. Can you explain? Or can you explain why? So why is technology such a big part of a facility? And how has it changed the way facilities are managed and run? Think of everything from toilets that automatically flush to no-touch drinking fountains, lighting that's on a timer, curtains or basketball nets that can be raised or lowered by the push of a button, energy saving systems like the heat taken from an ice pad to melt the snow in the winter. That's just, I'll talk about that in class when we get there Wednesday. But there's so many different things that technology has improved. Just how about another example would be the lighting on this outdoor sports field, the Jamie Massey Field, all LED lighting, and the neighbors are really concerned about all the lights going up because there used to be a baseball diamond there, and they put up all these new lights, like tons of them, much brighter. But the way they can do this, the technology has allowed the lighting manufacturers and installers to be so accurate with the angle of the light pointing at the field and not spraying throughout the community and in the backyards of all those houses, so that actually there's less light pollution now because of the LED can be angled at the field. Really cool, but we'll talk about that in class as well. So some discussions, some questions to think about, some discussions we'll have in class.